Why do you keep trying to fix someone who's not even pretending to care about your feelings? The answer isn't what you think. More on that in a moment. As we explore the topic of dealing with sociopaths, it's essential to acknowledge that it's not your fault. You didn't ask for this toxic relationship or interaction, and you certainly didn't deserve it.
Number 10.
You're consistently being lied to, manipulated, or gaslighted. Think about the last time someone made a promise they broke without apologizing or taking responsibility. Remember how it felt? Number 10. This is not an isolated incident, it's a pattern of behavior that can be damaging and draining. Recognize the signs and take control of your emotions by writing down every instance, no matter how small.
Number 9.
You're constantly being criticized or belittled for no apparent reason. It might seem like they're just trying to help you improve, but remember that criticism without constructive feedback is not helpful. Number 9. This isn't about seeking approval, it's about emotional manipulation. You deserve respect and empathy in any interaction. Set clear boundaries and don't be afraid to walk away if needed.
Number 8.
You're being walked all over, agreeing with everything they say even when you disagree. Remember the last time someone talked over you or ignored your concerns? Number 8. This isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of people-pleasing. Recognize that your opinions matter and learn to assert yourself in a calm and respectful manner.
Number 7.
You're experiencing sudden mood swings, as if the other person is trying to control your emotions. This can be overwhelming and exhausting. Number 7. Emotional roller coasters are not normal in any relationship. Take a step back and assess whether you're prioritizing others' feelings over your own well-being.
Number 6.
You're constantly feeling anxious, worried, or on edge around this person. This is not a sign of paranoia, it's a warning sign that something is amiss. Number 6. Your intuition is trying to tell you something. Listen to it and don't ignore those nagging feelings. They might be the only thing keeping you safe.
Number 5.
You're being isolated from friends, family, or social connections. This isn't about you being a bad friend, it's about their manipulation. Number 5. Isolation is a tactic to control and disempower. Reach out to your support network and nurture those relationships that uplift and support you.
Number 4.
You're consistently giving in or sacrificing for this person even when it hurts you deeply. Remember the last time you compromised on something that didn't feel right? Number 4. This isn't about being a martyr, it's about toxic attachment. Recognize your worth and prioritize your own needs.
Number 3.
You're constantly finding yourself apologizing for things you didn't do or didn't say. This is not about guilt tripping, it's about emotional manipulation. Number 3. Apologize only when you genuinely wrong someone, not as a way to placate the other person's ego. Remember your integrity and stand by what you believe in.
Number 2.
You're noticing an extreme lack of empathy or emotional intelligence from this person. This isn't about them being broken, it's about their inability to connect on a deeper level. Number 2. Empathy is not optional. It's essential in any healthy relationship. Hold yourself accountable for setting boundaries and seeking support when needed.
Number 1.
You're constantly being gaslighted, made to doubt your own perceptions or memories. This isn't about you being crazy, it's about their manipulation. Number 1. Gaslighting is a red flag. Don't ignore the signs. Trust yourself and prioritize your mental health by seeking support from trusted sources.
If you take away one thing from this, let it be that you are not responsible for someone else's actions or emotions. Recognize the warning signs and take control of your emotional well-being.
That means acknowledging the truth about their behavior and setting realistic boundaries to protect yourself. Take a deep breath, accept the reality, and move forward with self-care and support networks that uplift you.
Don't forget to subscribe to Nura.